La, 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 la. Looks like fish head is dead. Already cooked. Rather than pan. Because it's already cooked. Ready to eat. Do you like fish, brother Pan? Are you eating fish? Huh? Killing fish is a sin. Do you like fish or you don't want fish? You eat fish. Be kind to the fish. Yes, but I don't eat fish. I don't eat it. Killing any living creature. So you don't like to eat also meat, like chicken or what else? How about chicken? No, no. I like rice and what's that? Dal and this. What is dal? Wait. Sisi Miguela. Magluto ka na rin with try mo mag-live my fish. I also like fruits and milk. What is the rice, dal, and vegetables? Also, any meat? You don't like meat? Hala, tatlo na lang yung viewers ko. No? Nobody in my family eats chicken and you really? Oh. So only vegetables? This one, wait. Learn this, wait. Let's go out with that fish. Let's hear. Let's watch this. This is what I'm doing. I will cook this tomorrow. There. This is the vegetables for tomorrow. Because I put in a Zoom, so